We did it!
Children, to count backward, first you have to keep the bigger number in your head and smaller number on your fingers and count back from the bigger number. Suppose if you want to take away 5 from 7, you have to keep the bigger number 7 in your head and smaller number 5 on your fingers and count backward from 7 till you reach the last finger. Let's start. 7 in the head, 5 on fingers. Before 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Children, head and finger methods are very useful to do the sums mentally. Now here in the example 9 minus 4, 9 is the bigger number and 4 is the smaller number. So keep 9 in your head and 4 fingers out. Now come on children, everyone keep 9 in your mind, 4 fingers out. Now let's start counting backward from 9 and fold the fingers as you count it. 9 in your head, before 9 is 8. Come on, let's fold the finger 8. 7, fold finger 7. 6, fold it, and before 6 is 5. So we got the difference 5. So the answer of 9 minus 4 is 5. Or we can say the difference of 9 and 4 is 5.
In this tutorial, we are going to go through subtraction of numbers up to 10 using the head and fingers method. Remember, the head and fingers method is ideal for mental arithmetic. This is when the teacher is asking you a question and you have to do the question in your head without any paper. So let's work through an example. What is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2. What we do here is that the first number we say is on our head. The second number we use our fingers. So let's pretend this is me. I'm going to say there is 6. There is 6 on my head. The second number I'm going to say there's 2 in my hand. 1, 2. There is 6 on my head and 2 is in my hand. We are going to take away or minus or subtract. They all mean the same thing. 6 is on my head. 5, 4. And that is the answer. 6, we say 5, 4. And that is our answer. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? Let's try another one. What is 7 minus 4? So again, I'm going to use the head and fingers method. There's me again. You don't have to draw this. I just do this as a to illustrate how to work this out. The first number is 7. So we say there is 7 on my head. Second number is 4. So let's count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 7 on my head, 4 in my hand. We are going to take away or minus. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that is our answer. 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Let's work through slightly larger numbers. What is 9 minus 6? 9 minus 6. So how do we do this? I'm not going to draw the figure again, but let's try to work through this together. What is the first number? 9. So I say there is 9 on my head. Second number is 6. So let's count out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6. 6 is in my hand. 9 minus 6. So 9 is on my head. We take away this one first. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that is our answer. Let's do that last one again. 9 minus 6. 9 is on my head. And I've got 6 in my hand. So let's take away all the fingers one by one. 9 minus 6. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that is our answer, 3. And using the head and fingers method is very good for mental arithmetic.
Now children, open page 55. Look at the example sum. There are 7 bananas and 3 bananas are removed. So how many are left? Yes, there are 4 bananas left. Now let's do this by counting backward method. Remember to keep the bigger number in the mind. So which is the bigger number? 7. Come on everyone, keep 7 in the mind and 3 fingers up. Count back the fingers. 7 in the mind. Before 7 is 6, 5, 4. So we got the answer 4. Now let's start the exercise. You all should count loudly along with me. First one is already shown in the book. You all have to trace it. 9 minus 3. Now which is the bigger number here children? Yes, 9. So keep 9 in your mind. You have to write it in the cloud given. Then 3 fingers up. Count back from 9, 8, 7, 6. Now trace these numbers in the space given as you count. So we got the difference 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Trace 6 in the box. Now let's move to next one. 7 minus 2. Come on everyone, tell me which one is the bigger number here? Yes, 7. Now keep 7 in the mind and write it in the cloud. 2 fingers up. Count back. Before 7 is 6, 5. Now write 6, 5 in the place given as you count. Now we got the answer 5. Write 5 in the box. Let's do the next one. 6 minus 1. Come on everyone, which number you are going to keep in your mind now? Yes, 6 in the mind and write it in the cloud. And 1 finger up. Before 6 is 5. So write 5 in the box. Then next 5 minus 2. Which number you are going to keep now? Yes, 5 in the mind and write 5 in the cloud. How many fingers you are going to keep up? 2 fingers. Yes. Now before 5, count back the fingers. 4, 3. So we got the answer 3. So write 3 in the box. Now children, practice the rest of the exercise sums on your own and check the answers. Children, pause the video and complete all the sums on your own and then check the answers. I hope You all are doing it correctly. Okay children, we will continue in the next class. Till then, practice well.